All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an amazing season of baby races. So we said, let's just do it one more time. It's this season's final Kaiser Permanente baby races, Tournament of Champions. We actually have a trophy this time. What we're gonna do is I've brought out 10 of the most adorable babies along with their mommies and their daddies, and they are going to race across the court. The first baby to pass the finish line is your winner of the Kaiser Permanente baby race. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on your mark, get set, go! And they're off. Come on, buddy. Sacramento, I need you guys to make some noise for these babies. Oh. Here he crawls. Keep going, buddy. Don't turn around.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Wait a minute. Keep going, babies. Jeremy, you are so close. Oh no, where's he going?
Right turn. Just gonna go over and say hi to Grant and Jerry real quick.
Keep crawling.
Wait a second.
Wait a minute, here comes Jace. We are so close.
You can do it.
So close. Micah, you're almost there.
Gonna stop for a
Oh
snap.
no, he found Candy. Almost there. He got it. Micah is the winner of the Kaiser Permanente baby races, bribed with organic bananas. Congratulations, Micah, you're the winner. How about some noise for all of our babies? Thanks for participating in the Kaiser Permanente baby race.
The babies are all fine.
Babies, are you ready? Here we go in 3, 2, 1, crawl. All right. This is gonna be intense. All right, parents, make sure behind the start line. Parents, make sure you're behind the start line. All right, they gotta crawl. Remember, lots of incentive here, children. $250 for you to spend in the team shot autograph. Ooh, oh, number 6, automation. Holland Sass, she's Holland Sass. Ooh, a little fire hydrant motion there. Change your mind. It's okay, maybe she'll go back. They're thinking it's a field day, I think. All right. Crawling, remember, lots to win here. Oh, she's back at it. Holland Sass, but right behind her, Autumn Breeze. New Orleans and Barrero going head-to-head right now. Looking like Holland Sass might be our winner if she keeps on a roll. Oh, Autumn's trying to catch up. She's scooting. Will it be Holland Sass? Oh, gotta get to the finish line. So close, and come on, gotta touch the finish line. Come on, Holland Sass, we believe in you. Oh! That was very anticlimactic. All right, she's just playing with our heads, guys. That's how it works. Oh, number 5's coming, scooting. That might be the cutest crawl I've ever seen. Autumn Breeze. Oh, look at her. Oh, will it be Autumn Breeze? Oh, now Holland Sass wants to get in on it. Okay, is she gonna be too late or will she pass her up? Who's it gonna be? Oh, here you go. Oh, it's obviously a play date down here on the... Oh, this might be the cutest baby crawl race we've ever witnessed here at the Smoothie King Center. Who is it going to be? 6 is... I just don't know if they can make up their minds. I think they're kind of over you, parents. They're all about each other. It's a field day out here. Having a blast. Oh, wait, Seven's all of a sudden making a run for the money. Is Deuce gonna, oh, wait, Autumn Breeze. Everyone is very confused. Okay, Deuce is not feeling it anymore. Okay, but Deuce is not loose. Going back, number 12 though, we got from the North Shore, Autumn Breeze, she's a winner! Congratulations, Autumn Breeze, you're $250 richer to our Pelicans. Team Shop also going home with the autographed Drew Holiday jersey. Autumn, congratulations. Let's have your moment. Do you have anything to say, Autumn?